One of the most important things on the tool is that it takes you right into the wiring diagram, so it highlights that specific component. You can see here it's highlighted and you can see the connection on the ECM. And here you have the pinouts on the control unit, so you know exactly where it is. You can do that directly from the fault without having to search for it. You also do have live monitoring, which can record up to 90 minutes. So we're gonna select here a couple of components, like the temperature. And you can see it's running diagnostics, it's showing you the system data, in this example, and running the live monitoring on the systems you selected on the sensors. So there you have this type of view. You can also add comments to the recording and all of that. Here's where you play the recording and you can see throughout the timing where the value is at, and also the faults. You do have special maintenance options inside, like the cleaning, pressure relief valve reset, and startup counter reset right there. On the engine side, you do have special maintenance functions like doing a reset on the ADF system, and also on the maintenance side. I'm gonna have a preview how it looks right here. Here you can see everything that's gonna change in order to run this maintenance. And there the process is finished.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-624-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.